Hi, this is Always Eclectic Stacy, and this is our 5-minute chemistry series where you learn chemistry and examples in 5 minutes or less. This is our covalent bond series with examples of how to take a covalent formula to a covalent name. This is example number 7. Please grab your periodic table, pen, pencil, and paper, and I'll see you soon on the other side of the intro. Let's go! Hi, and welcome back to Always Eclectic Stacy. We're working on taking covalent compounds and converting them into covalent names. If this is the first video you've watched, I would recommend watching the common nonmetallic roots video as well as the common Greek prefixes video so you have a bit of an idea, or you could go ahead and jump right in. We are now working on the sentence diagramming of these compounds. That's the easiest way to organize all of the information, but as you get better and more comfortable at that, you can definitely start combining some of those steps to make this a more streamlined process. So the first thing I do is always name the Greek prefixes that are going to go with each element so I can kind of get my head wrapped around it. So we're going to look at the P first. P is written by itself. There is no subscript like with the Cl, and it's only written one time. So for P, we're going to think of the Greek prefix mono because mono means one. And then we're going to look at the Cl. Cl has a 3 attached to it. That 3 means there are 3 Cl's in this compound, and we're going to have to make sure that people understand that there's 3 Cl's. So we're going to go ahead and add the Greek prefix tri to this. Tri meaning 3. And if you have a hard time remember a tricycle has 3 wheels. So tri has 3 items. Tri means 3. Then we're going to go ahead and take a moment and look at our periodic tables and match our element symbol to the element on the periodic table. Now when we look up P, we get phosphorus. So we're going to write phosphorus under mono. And then when we look up Cl, we end up with the element chlorine. Now, remember with our second element, we have to remember our common nonmetallic roots. And so the common nonmetallic root for chlorine is chlor. So we're going to pull that down and add the suffix "ide." So it becomes chloride instead of chlorine. Now we're going to take all of this information and write it into a chemical name. Now remember, mono is never written for that first element because you're already writing that first element that one time. So we're going to go ahead and write the word phosphorus as our first element because we don't have to write mono, so it's just phosphorus. And then for our second element, we pull down the word tri. So it's phosphorus tri, and then you go ahead and pull down the chloride. And what this is saying is there's 1 phosphorus, trichloride, 3 chlorines. Check, we're done. We've properly named it. Good job. I bet you did it before I even finished it. That's awesome. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. I hope to see you soon. Have a chemistry terrific day.